Namaste friends, my name is Rayomand and I'm a yoga teacher from India. Uh, in the online international yoga retreat, I'm going to be covering two topics on the spine as well as healing through stretching. So I've had a vast experience, been teaching for the last 20 years, and my sole objective would be to take you through different postures that could help you heal all kinds of pain related to the spine, because that is supposed to be the backbone on which the entire body stands. And healing through stretching is a beautiful workshop in which I'm going to help you with different stretches that you could do on a day-to-day basis. You can also, there is no age barrier, and you could also forward it to your parents, your grandparents. You need not sit on the floor, you need not be on the yoga mat. There are stretches that you could probably do lying down on your bed itself. So this is extremely good for people who are immobile also. So I'm looking forward to seeing you at the workshop, and let's have some fun. Thank you everyone.